Yeah, you're right. That'll be something to follow and see whether she did. I mean, the police officers have since spoken out about this and said, we're glad that these two parents were arrested. Obviously, they were some sort of danger, disruption to say the least. Now, the charges that they're facing, I kind of want to go through them. Battery on law enforcement officer, that one makes sense. Resisting with violence also makes sense. This one was interesting to me. Disruption of school function, trespassing on school campus, armed robbery, grand theft. Do those charges make sense to you?
Well, so the resisting they generally always throw in because that's kind of questionable whether they were resisting after they were arrested. So that one most likely will get thrown out. Obviously, like you said, the battery on the law enforcement. I mean, based on the body cam, I think that's gonna stand. The disruption of school was basically because then other resources had to be pulled away. Is that. Those are all lessers. I mean, the hate crime because of the slur apparently before for the father. That's an interesting one. That's an enhancement, like I said before. I think that what's going to end up happening is my magic ball, crystal ball is the battery on the Leo is going to stand, or the law enforcement. They're going to drop the resisting. They'll probably drop the disruption. And then I'm not sure how they're going to handle the slur, the hate crime aspect. They may drop that and then just give him a higher sentence related to that battery and then the grand theft as well. I mean, the grand theft is interesting because we're talking about the taser.